H3PS project, we implemented on Tecnam P2010 the first parallel hybrid system in General Aviation. It will help to reduce emissions and fuel consumption while maintaining the same payload and long range. We try to stimulate innovation to reduce the impact of the air travel in the long run.
Rolls-Royce is responsible for the electrical part of the parallel hybrid system, which consists of a 30 kilowatt electric machine, inverter, power electronics, and the entire battery system. Truly European collaboration with an Italian, Hungarian, and Austrian team working together so closely. Some new friendships have been made, which is at least as important an outcome than the technical results themselves.
It's so exciting to make this fly. With this project, we are introducing advanced technology, scalable for larger general aviation aircraft.